Hey everyone, I am back to cut the watermelon sugar soap. It's the one scented in the watermelon Jolly Rancher fragrance, and I'm very pleased with the way that this turned out. The white layer is a little thick for my liking, but overall I think it turned out really nice, and hope you guys enjoy it. These will be available for purchase in about 4 to 6 weeks on my Etsy page, and I will be posting on my Facebook page closer to time to let you guys know when they'll be ready. So keep an eye out and see you guys next time.